Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV. I'm Gargi Rawat. Our top story, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will meet with the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh this morning amid escalating farmer protests around Delhi, which have been spearheaded by farmers from Punjab and Haryana. Now, that meeting will take place ahead of a crucial meeting between the union ministers and farmer representatives. Remember, these farmer groups have been sitting outside Delhi for a week now. In fact, it's been over a week today that they have been sitting in protest, demanding that the three farm laws be repealed. There you can see buses with the farmer union representatives leaving now for that meeting with the union ministers. This is going to be the fourth round of talks between farmer representatives and the ministers to find some sort of solution to this standoff, though the farmer groups are determined that these laws must be taken back. Now, yesterday, the Agriculture Minister, Narendra Singh Tomar, who's been leading those talks, had asked the groups to give details of their demands regarding the farm laws, and the unions, 35 of them, had held a meeting yesterday, after which they came out with a charter of demands. And their top demand is that the government call for a special session of parliament to repeal the contentious laws. Speaking after two internal meetings, they also warned the centre against sowing any discord in their ranks by recasting the protests as being driven by Punjab farmers only. So those are the demands by the farmers, and those are the top developments this morning. A meeting between the Punjab Chief Minister and the Home Minister and the farmers there, the representatives leaving for those talks, which will take place later today. Now, what NDTV is hearing, that there is a possibility that the government offer the farmers some sort of middle path, some sort of written assurance that they, instead of the verbal assurances that have been given so far, a written assurance regarding the minimum support price. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Ghazali, who joins us from Chandigarh. And Ghazali, so today that meeting, firstly, that's very crucial, this meeting between Captain Amrinder Singh and the Home Minister, and also what NDTV is hearing regarding, this possibility of a solution in terms of a written assurance on MSP.
Yeah, certainly, because a written assurance on MSP somewhere will assuage farmers. But I should tell you, Gargi, that the way people are still coming in near the Delhi borders from all sides, even the unions, even the farm union leaders, the 35 leaders who are negotiating with the union government, have clearly said that they cannot withdraw or they cannot lift their protest until the farm laws are repealed. Now the government will try to convince them that if MSP is legalized, even then these three farm laws will not be as harmful or as dangerous the union and farmers are perceiving. Because once the MSP is legalized, it ensures that even private players, which the farmer sphere will come and monopolize the entire agriculture sector. If MSP is legalized, then even the private sector will have to purchase every crop above MSP or at par with MSP. So this is something which the government is contemplating or deliberating upon among the many other proposals, because senior BJP leaders who are negotiating with the farmers and many the government experts are also trying to see a middle ground through which the crisis is resolved, because the two basic demands is repeal the laws and legalize the MSP. Once the second demand is met, or if the government agrees for a written assurance or MSP, then we may not know that the farmers will also ask to withdraw the first demand as well. That is why maybe the Punjab Chief Minister has also been invited for talks today, because he has been trying to get in touch with the union government for the last couple of months. He has been writing letters since the farmers' agitation started in Punjab. So even he will try to sort of convey to the union government that what are the apprehensions of farmers, and also what will be the outcome if the government delays it and doesn't resolve it in time. Because even we have seen that how in the last 3 months Punjab had to face a lot of financial loss due to the blockade of rail and road network in the state. So the government, the union government, has now taken this issue very seriously, because you have seen that how in the last 72 hours many rounds of talks and parleys have been sent to the farmers, and now even Punjab Chief Minister has been invited for talks. So maybe we will see that in today's meeting, the farmers who had sent their objections, submitted their objections to the government over the new farm laws, will sit together and try to find a middle ground on the new laws.